Hello and welcome to Rain and Rail Enthusiast and another instalment in our Along the Railway Line series. This time I'm back on the South East Mainline, which runs from Charing Cross and Cannon Street on the northwest of the map down to Dover Priory on the southeast of the map. And today I'm at Chislehurst. The original station was opened some 800 yards away from the current site in 1865 as Chislehurst and Bickley Park. But after a cut line to Tunbridge opened in 1868, the station was relocated to its current location in the same year. 5 London-bound sidings were to be found here, controlled by a signal box on the coastbound side, which also had a small single siding too. Cottages for railway workers were provided in 1869. Originally 2 station buildings on either side were present, but the London-bound one was demolished in the early 1900s in order for extra tracks to be laid. It was however rebuilt sometime after this work was done. Small changes were to be implemented at the station in the next 100 years, and by 1968 the goods yard was closed. By the late 1970s, the London-bound station was demolished, but thankfully the coastbound one was kept as it is. In fact, many original features can still be seen, as we'll see later on in this video. At time of filming, passenger rolling stock to be seen here are Class 465, 707, 376 and 375 electric multiple units. Throughout the day there is also opportunities to see some freight. Moving outside into the small car park, you really get to see the fantastic station building on the coastbound side. It is in good condition and very well maintained. Here near the entrance you will find an electronic ticket machine. Walking through the door you will arrive in the spacious booking hall. Many posters adorn the walls here. A small refreshment kiosk is also here but is only open on limited hours. To the far right is the ticketing desk, however this is only open in limited hours also. The area is kept very clean and there is seating available while you wait for your train. On the far left wall there are service information screens. There are plenty of opportunities to see the original architecture of the building. And the canopies have been refurbished to a very high standard indeed. Along this platform you will find a network information poster. There is also an Oyster card reader and a very elaborate onward travel information board. You will also find a help point as well as a vending machine. The station has an elaborate underpass which connects all the platforms, and as with the rest of the station it is very well maintained, with lots of original features. All the platforms have dot matrix displays. The statistics for Chislehurst are that it opened on its current site in 1868. It has 4 trains per hour in each direction off-peak, with some extra services during the peak hours. And the entry and exit figures for 2019-2020 were 1,113,406. I really enjoyed my visit to Chislehurst. The care given to its buildings are fantastic, and for the enthusiasts the sightlines are excellent. And there is a great variety of rolling stock that pass through the station. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you can, get out there, get on the railway and see where it takes you. Thanks very much for watching.